Is your home's HVAC system working as efficiently as it should be? Are you struggling to stay comfortable even though your HVAC system is working flat out? Your home's heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system is a major contributor to the comfort and well-being of yourself and your family. So when it's not functioning as it should be, the happiness of your whole family is affected. It pays to find a HVAC technician who can get the job done quickly and efficiently. Someone you can trust to do the job right, who's both qualified and insured. Our friendly, certified, and experienced HVAC technicians can handle all your HVAC requirements and get your family back to the level of comfort they're looking for, whatever the weather. Don't take risks with your HVAC system. Contact us today.